That's unreliable. That's possible. When you go outside, what to do? Very, very cold. Shady quiet. You know, but nowadays, sunshine come out, but very strong wind, blow away everywhere, all over the look. That's impossible. Oh, I try to get my chauffeur back, but blow away, you know. That's why all about storm on Saturday, you know about that. Because you got to be careful to go outside when there's this storm about. Oh my god. So, and that storm, when you lose your purse, like this, when you walk into it in the town. Oh my god. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? Oh my god. So, a wall of storm right down. I go straight to town. I says, you got to be careful yourself as on this weekend or Saturday, possible. So you take care of yourself, whatever you do on your day on Saturday, whatever you do. So see you. Bye.